Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time, the market moves really fast and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. Good morning, everyone. This is your friend, the educator, Luis Rodriguez, live on a Tuesday. And my screen is going crazy, believing that we're making money already, which is starting. What's up? I usually start at 10:30, but I'm gonna start earlier today because I was here already. I like to let the market flow on Thursday and Tuesday because the market literally goes everywhere. And there's no point for me being so early just trying to see what the heck is going to do when I know what happened on those days. So but I'm starting earlier because of yesterday movement on Asia was brutal. Guys can see it on my screen here, all of that going all the way down, clearing absolutely everything. So right now London has been consolidating, and for the look of it, and based on the information that we got yesterday from FOMC, the market was supposed to move to the highest point and do a bunch of other stuff, but it didn't. That's why I was looking at the market and trying to understand what is the purpose of the market today. It's still in the same area, in the same neighborhood, nothing different, like from here to here. For our bot, I enable something to avoid consolidating markets, and hasn't been trading for like a week or so or more. That's WaveSync. Bill and Ted has been going all over the place, especially with the latest update. I included 3 more strategies, eliminated one, well, disabled it. Probably gonna include another 2 because I'm developing this exclusively for gold, and the account yesterday went all the way up to 1,924. I withdraw the money, put the account all the way down to $200. Right now it's sitting at $226. And I'm doing this because I really want to tune this up to low accounts. Like low, I don't care about the big numbers. I care about the low numbers because I want to see how it's going to handle it. So far, so good. So this is the second attempt. I did the same thing with WaveSync a while ago, so I'm doing this with Bill and Ted. And yeah, for me, it's just testing with real money. I don't do prop firms or demos on this thing. And right now it has a what do you call it? It has a strategy running. It's a liquidity sweep, which I believe it's what it is, and it's just sitting on the top on a negative. It's very tricky what this market is doing, and I'm trying to understand if the logic that the bots are putting through is, remember, they have also automation on the other side, so the same things that I have, they have it on the other side. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to see if the market is constantly conditioning algos to hit stop losses. If that's the case, I need to think outside of the box and expand those areas, because at the end of the day, they do go in the direction that they're supposed to go, but it's all about liquidity. And if they know where we're putting our trades, believe me, they're gonna chase them, especially when they have nothing to lose, because these accounts that they have, they're huge. They can go all over the place, but our accounts don't. The only way to win is to play low. Just play low and you will win. So I'm playing low. The lowest lot sizes that you can put on a broker. 0.01, and letting the market flow. Something when you hit one stop loss that you probably will, it's a huge one. But I'm going to do something different with that. I'm going to do an accumulation of wins, and then once I do that, the last win of the day, I'm going to risk what I earned during the day, only that. And I'm going to escalate it per day. You hit X amount of trades per day, winning, you close, you don't trade anymore. Because that's the thing, like when the bot are constantly trading, seeing every opportunity out there, it's going to be the point where they're going to lose. And that's what I'm trying to control right now. It's been going up and down quite a lot lately, but I think it's going to do all right. So market open already. Gotta let the market flow, my friends. Cannot jump into anything. It's coming down hard again. It's coming down really, really hard. And now I'm gonna look at NAS here. That's all right, all right, all right. No sound. Tony, you say there's no sound? No sound at all? That is strange, because I do have sound here. Can you hear me? Is there sound? Ah, so it wasn't my broadcast, it was just all right, so all right, let me expand this so you guys can see the screen a little bit better. Sorry. So New York, I want to see the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame here, respecting that a lot. Let me turn off this thing right here and right here. I like to trade more of the higher time frames because I can eliminate a lot of the noise and just see what's going on, respecting important areas. I'm gonna be buying around here. Okay, look at that. That was yesterday. Clear everybody out. That was so shocked in the afternoon session with gold. It blew my mind, everything that was doing. It was crazy, crazy, crazy. But he's doing the same thing today. Wow. Gold is going up. Interesting. The market is falling right now. Just don't like when it's doing that kind of volatility. Gonna try to chase down probably these elements at the bottom here. So my bias is sell. I'm gonna be selling the market right now on NAS. It's gonna probably try to come back to these elements here. If you respect this, then I'm switching my hat, but I am selling NAS right now. Selling NAS right now. Let's see if it's gonna break that or not. Probably gonna go all the way back up. Let's see. It's finding support there, the area that I mentioned. It's all right. Wow, and gold is going to the moon. It took me out my trade right now. It just did there, little money. Okay, found support in this area here. And I'm trading literally from the 4-hour time frame right now, just to eliminate noise. Gold is moving up. NASDAQ is now consolidating. On a pullback, I want to sell again. Don't like what the market is doing right now. Don't like it. Buyers are waiting to kick in. That's a nice pullback there. There you go. It's still respecting this quite a lot. And gold is moving to the moon. Everything is going to the moon. Alright, that's a nice pullback to sell. Counter trading. Okay. I don't understand this market today. It's so wild. It's consolidating, but oh God. Respecting this area quite a lot here, but I want to see the market pushing all the way here. And this highest point here, it's still within the opening range. It's still there. Just not sure where to go. Remember, for me, in order to win, please lower down your lot sizes and contracts. There you go. Sale coming in place. Alright. It's consolidating. So every time it touches this point here, you guys can buy. until it breaks it. Okay. But if you are waiting and you're being patient, go by the Bollinger Bands here. All right. Making a little money. Not much. It's gonna go in one direction. So if you think you're going to be in the same spot for the entire day, you guys see anybody bought there? It's just consolidating right now within an area. It's easy to trade this because all you need to do is just buy and sell until it breaks one of the twos, and make sure you're closing the trade as soon as it breaks the area, because it's probably going to continue much lower or much higher. All right. All right. Congratulations. Wow. Renee killing it. Renee killing the market. All right. There you go. I'm literally trading no indicators, just pure market structure, and it's very clean in the 4-hour time frame. Very clean, very clean. You guys can see the price coming in the same spot a lot. Alright. But it's gonna wipe liquidity. My thing is the market has a lot of room to move here. A lot to move. If you break this, it is coming down hard. If you break this zone, it is coming down really, really hard. 170 more or less. I'm gonna call it like here. That's that area there. Wow, volatility like crazy. Let's see, news events today. Oh man, today is Thursday. And you guys got here 8:30 unemployment rate claims came. Wow, that's bad. At 8:30. Alright, so nothing on the air right now. Just consolidating quite a lot, the same spot over and over. But it's mainly pushing down right now. In order for them to kick it hard, it needs to do a pullback at least here, go back up. It's gonna be retouching this area quite a lot until it's no longer interested in this area, and then poof, breaking it. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame so you guys can see more details. And that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see quickly here if it's doing an Elliott wave. Yep, 50%. That's okay. That's a raw one. Quickly, I'm just gonna do this quickly here. Ah. 1, 2. Yep, Elliott wave 4. So here quickly. Yep, 61%. So it's definitely going higher. this going to the moon. This can push a little bit lower, even to this area here. And it might just come down like hard. As I said, hard down. Kill everybody in the area and then push up. There you go, familia. That's the market for you today. The market in a nutshell. All right, let's see. Remember the Elliott wave 4s are usually like triangles. It's one of the type of corrections that they do. But it's still not oversold. There's still a lot more room to move down. Just be careful, okay? Don't feel so open. Like, yes, this is the point. Remember how to catch an Elliott wave 5. You guys need to see the reaction. Aggressive buyers coming in, leaving fair value gaps behind, and then coming back for the retest. If you guys don't see that, this thing is gonna keep pushing down, okay? If you guys don't see it, it's gonna keep pushing down, seeking for liquidity. And it is coming down. As I said, you're gonna try to break this as hard as you can. Before doing anything. Trending down, familia. Trending down. Wow. It is coming down hard. Too hard. Buyers are still not kicking in. So we are now invading the area of Elliott wave 1. We are still in an Elliott wave. What I don't like to see is breaking the point of Elliott wave 2. It's still coming down. It's still coming down. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Water drop. It's doing the same thing as Asia. Wow. Too low right now. That is brutal. That's a crazy drop. As we mentioned, if it breaks this, see the area? It's a big weight to a big area to run down. Wow, I'm still not in any trade yet. The body's taking trades, not me. was trending down hard. Wow. Blowing my mind. Blowing my mind. What a move. Wow. No. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, aggressive sellers in the house. Wow. That's a big drop. It's coming back up. No. No, come on. It's going back up. No, there you go. There you go. Going back down hard. The way it should. It needs to come. This seems to be almost invalidated, this Elliott wave, because it's already reached the area of Elliott wave 2. That's why I'm like, usually if that happens, then it just continue pushing down. But it's truly respecting this. I don't think it will. I think it's gonna break it down. There you go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let me turn off this light because it's really bugging my eyes. I can barely see. Okay, much better. Much better. One second, I'm trying to see this better. I cannot see. My screen is frozen. But got completely invalidated this Elliott wave 4. As I said, it's gonna, if it broke this, it's gonna follow all the way down. That was a very nasty drop. Okay. The bot is taking more trades here and is selling gold. All right. And we are, I'm waiting. I'm literally just waiting, watching and waiting. No mercy. No mercy. It's coming down. It's gonna hit that bottom part there. But if you measure this, it's coming to that 80, 60. A little bit lost on what it's doing here. He wants to continue pushing lower. Wow, look at how deep it's going. Blowing my mind. Mind blowing. Mind blowing. Mind blowing. Trying to go back up. It's really trying to go back up, but I don't know if it's gonna go all the way down. At this point, it's super extremely oversold. It's finding a lot of resistance there. The S500 is pushing higher. Oh boy, here we go. The S500 is fighting it hard. Wow. Battle of the ages right there. Wow. Mind blowing. What is this thing doing? Lots of volatility going on. It did come to that area, but the S500 is fighting it hard. It wants to move back up. You're selling on gold. Lost here. My screen is everywhere. ES500 wants to move back up. It's trying to fight it. Trying to fight it. I don't trust it. Fighting it hard. Fighting it hard. Fighting it hard. Where is this thing going? Tunnel focus on what is this thing going. I'm looking at gold and looking at NASDAQ at the same time. NASDAQ wants to move up. ES500 is pushing higher. Here we go. Extremely careful. Extremely careful. To push up, I think it's gonna keep pushing higher at this point. Let's go. Oh yeah, guy. What are you doing? It's fighting it. Buyers are dominating. Buyers are dominating right now. Not sure if it's gonna pull down so hard. They are buying in the deep, which is very common. That was a 10 a.m. move. I'm not sure if it's gonna. Wow. Wow. What is this market doing right now? I'm literally just watching. I'm not taking any trades here. Just watching the market recover. You guys see this? Wow. Just watching, familia. Just watching. I'm looking for information. Like, why is the market behaving like this? Don't like what the market is doing. Honestly, like, I don't like it. The bot to some trades account is at 234 bucks. I don't like this market, family. I really don't like this market. They did buy in the deep, but look, it filled up that entire area. I didn't jump into any trade. It's the way it's moving is not nice. The way the market is moving is not good. I don't like it. I didn't take any trades. Only the sales at the very top, and I closed them. I was taking out. Only up by a few bucks. That 80 wave there got completely eliminated. And now the market is changing. Wow. This market, it is insane. Oh my God, the bodies, it's taking more trades here. Let me see this here. Give me a second. Today is the 11th, right? The 11th. Okay, so that's that. I'm running the bot in the 5-minute time frame for gold. It's going everywhere right now. I disabled the VWAP strategy. If you guys want to disable it, disable it. Because I'm not. After I disabled it, it's been taking more take profits. A lot of it. Sad but true. Sad but true. 1 second. Oscillating a little bit right now. He wants to break that barrier again, but finding rejection, a little bit of rejection. He wants to move back up hard. Alice. Today I'm a bit quiet because the market is going crazy, and I am trying to focus as much as I can to see if I can understand what the market is doing right now. And you guys can see it. It's going everywhere. And it's a type of volatility that it has that I don't like. I really don't like this market today. I'd rather stay out. Rather stay out of this market because it's gonna flow everywhere. Again, you guys can win as long as you guys can put in small contracts on your accounts, because it will repeat itself in the same spot over and over. If you guys understand those concepts, you guys can win, especially when it's like consolidating, but it's far from areas back. It's literally almost back into the equilibrium. It's like, what are you doing? Pushing to the upside, that's guaranteed. Alright. Wow. If you don't do anything with NAS, buy on pullbacks. Buy on pullbacks. Just following a channel. Just buy on pullbacks. And there's no key areas on the moment. Let me see. Let me turn this on. Oh, not that one. This one. Click this. Oh, that's a nice fair value gap on the very top. Nice fair value gap here. Probably gonna be chasing that down. So buy on the pullbacks, okay? Buy on the pullbacks. If you're doing futures, if it goes down to around 530, 5535-ish, 5540-ish, buy there. The stop loss should be below 490. Okay? That means there's a very wide stop loss. Make sure you put one or two contracts, all right? But right now it's going up. Hit it hard, because you are trading with the trend. What's up, man? Nice to be here Thursday, 11 December 25. That's right, my friend. We understand your serious face. Hey, you know what? I'm never serious. I'm just concentrated, which is different. The truth is, I'm trying to understand what the market is doing right now. Like, if you look at everything that we do, like every strategy, everything, the market is just going everywhere. I mean, if you use, for example, a consolidating strategy that we use, it's very simple. buy and sell the extremes. But right now the extremes are very far away from entry. This was extreme. This is extreme. It's back, almost back into the equilibrium there. And if you look at Elliott waves, it cleared everybody out on Elliott waves, and look, it's following the purpose of the market. The one thing I like to turn on is this, so you guys understand the purpose of the market. And I'm going to turn off a few things here. You see that cloud, how we came right into the cloud and respected that? Is going now back to the other cloud. That's what the market is doing, just going from one area to the next. I'm trying to read the market without this. That's what I can see. That's what I can see. You guys buying on the pullbacks? I hope you guys are. ES 500 is moving up hard, really hard. Oof. Something here quickly with my bot indicator. That bot was taking trades like crazy right now. How's king of the house? Quentin, where are you, man? I don't feel you. All right. I don't feel you, Quentin. Still sleeping. All right. All right. Sorry, family, I am really looking at so many things right now. That's why I'm a little bit quiet. He is reminding you, it's my birthday week. He turned 31 Saturday. Really? My birthday is Tuesday. We're both December babies. December 16th. Special day. Oh, so his birthday, it is the 13th. Wow. We're only 3 days away. Hey, nice. Yeah, that's cool. Maybe that's why we're so close. Quentin is the king. Mr. Ladies Man. Yep, my friend. Josh, oh man, you're on the 7th? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I forgot about that. Happy belated birthday, my friend. You are always special to us. Yes, we are Sagittarius. Sagittarius. The truth is, apparently, I don't know, but there's another zodiac sign around that time that is not. That's, hey, that's what they say. I don't know. I guess me. He's trying to go back. Pull back. Is this it? I don't think so. I don't think so. When I look into the volume profile, you know who's showing up? The guy with a big fat belly there. And he's about to hit that nose. About to hit that nose. Wants to do a little bit of a pullback since it has been moving so much to the upside. The S500 is pulling back. And it's moving. I see why. moving as slow as molasses. Slow. Mia, your birthday July 24th? Really? Oh man, didn't know that. That was a special day. I'm your father? I am your father. Mia, I am your father. Maybe. Maybe. Mia, I am your father. Bruh. That's your thing. Bruh. I am the only one. Mia. Maybe. I'm looking at the price right now, and so I said to you guys for me to buy on the pullback, but right now is a very not the greatest point to sell yet. You see this here is still very low. When it's here, then consider selling. But you guys see the cloud over there. It's gonna push. You're gonna try to push there slowly. Just volatility is down. It's 1034. You're gonna do a lot of crazy move before it goes there. I am just a little bit concerned that it can pull down hard and then pull back up. Because the buyers are not kicking in, sellers will, and they will push the market down hard. So again, in order to win, play it low. If you, for example, sold and you're here, you think the market is not gonna come back down there? It will. That's what I said, the market repeats itself so many times. Even if you are wrong on the trade, and if you are playing safe with a low contract, it will come back to you. It's a matter of time. Don't get desperate. Most people blow accounts because they're playing hard. They want to pass accounts within a day when you have like 30 days to pass. That consistency is what really makes a difference. If you just focus on those low numbers instead of the big ones, they will come. Remember that the bigger than yourself. Is with you and only you. Not right time to sell. It's doing a pullback. I mean, we are in an uptrend. I mean, you could sell, but you know that you're not in the extreme, so anything can happen. This could be just a pullback, then pull the market back up, or yeah, maybe you're right. Maybe it can just go down from that point. Anything can happen, my friend. What I recommend, just wait, have a game plan, and execute from the stream. Look, that's a 70-50. That's ICT right there. Tons of ICT traders pushing the market down. Tons of ICT traders pushing the market down. But there's a reason why this is 70-50. The truth is, most retail traders do that, but the areas for extremes, it's 88%, 78%. And ICT does that because he doesn't like to miss opportunities. He noticed that a lot of times the market was just coming to the 70-60, then pushing the market down, and He was the train was leaving him behind. But from that point, the market can just do a triangle pattern as part of the correction and continue pushing higher to these extreme areas. And or you could be right, it can just fall down from there. It's up to you. What do you want to do? Do you want to take the risk or just wait for your opportunity with a game plan? You know what I mean? I'd rather wait. If you bought at the bottom here, that was your chance. So your next chance is to sell the top. If you're buying or selling in the middle, you have very high chance that you can go wrong or you can be right, because you have 50-50 chances. I mean, when you are in the extremes, your stop losses can be very short in case that you're wrong and the market decides to keep pushing on. You're out, that's it. But if you're right, guess what? You're going for the big long run, and that's where the money is. All right, so buyers are stepping in. They don't want to let it go that easy. That's what I say, like when the market is behaving like this, like I really don't like to try. I just watch what it's doing, and then like I see opportunities and I take it. If not, I just walk out. The day is long and I got so many things to do across the day. Especially yesterday was a crazy day too. It was pretty good. So why risk so much? It is just sitting there. Wow. Finding the zone. Let's go, ICT traders. You guys are taking control now. Taking control. They're probably consolidating the market like crazy. It's coming down. What I see, it's coming down. Sellers stepping in now. Didn't even get to the top. That's what is quite exciting to see. Very nice. Here in Canada, it's super cold outside. Tons of snow. Come on, ICT traders. Step in hard. Come on. Do what you gotta do. They're slowly moving the market down. Slow. It's like fading away slow. If buyers don't do much, it's gonna come back down at least to here. want to go to the 1 minute time frame so you guys can see more data. You see, like it's right on that middle point. Oh, it just went to the M1. Not even. So a channel moving up. A small channel moving down. Just doing a small channel going up. Oh man. It's one of those days. Bouncing on and off out of areas. Repeat the explanation of the 50% entry. All right. You know, you're working with probabilities, James, right? Nothing here at 100%. So the way you have to see things is the starting of the day, right? The starting of the session for New York traders, how things started, right? All the way up here, the market trended down, right? They stop here. Right, so if you take this fib retracement from bottom, top to bottom, you see that the 50% is right here, right? So for them, in order to make money, this is the area of expansion of their market, right? So sellers, buyers, right? They start selling on the extremes, aiming to the 50% all the time. If you are in the 50%, you have 50% chances that you're gonna go up or down. Like, you as a trader don't want to be in that position. What you want to do, you want to sell the extremes and follow the crowd. So if you are buying or selling here, from this point it can go down, from this point it can go up. So what do? You sell on the top, buy at the bottom. Sell on the top, and your stop losses should be always above or below the extremes, in case that things decide to move, to run, right? Taking in a stop loss is fine in trading because you're protecting your capital. But if you are trading that you're just guessing, you most likely are going to end up in the negative. Okay. Just follow that and you should be fine. Don't try to overtrade. Don't try to like oversize the contracts. Because again, to win, the market is gonna repeat itself in the same position several times, unless it breaks these 2 points here, like top, bottom, swing low, swing high. It's gonna come down to this area here. From there, it might find support somewhere and then push back up to this area. Like we still have an entire day of the market. If you think the market is just going to go in one direction, you're wrong. What did I say about if you sold and you were in the middle and you think you were wrong? Look what the price is right now. You know what I mean? Like, you will win as long as you buy and sell the extremes and let the market flow. Trade with small contracts. Don't get greedy trying to hit a home run or passing a count in one day. These prop firms, that's why they have these rules that they want you to only do 50% per day to pass an account. They don't care if it's your real money. If you can like make $1 million in a day, they don't care. But they rather have consistency than hitting a one-time home run, because they know you understand better the market. They know you're not a trader that is sitting down in front of a computer 24/7 waiting and waiting and waiting, because those are the guys that are burning accounts like crazy and losing a lot of money. So in prop firms, what they do after 3 months and after they know you are a good trader, there is a very low percentage of people. They take your accounts, your trades, and they put them on a real account. And whatever you do, they multiply times five, times three. They make money. When they pay you, oh my God, I'm making all this money. They are paying you money from another LP, and they're making times two what you already made. That's how they're maxing out on accounts. But anyways, I'm just showing you my screen. Sometimes it looks, like a little zoo, but I'm just showing you data. And you want to have data on the screen. But that's how the cookie crumbles, my friend. Wow. It's still coming down. It's still coming down. Wow. That's a big move. That's a big move for the market. Still coming down. I wonder if they're gonna pull it back up or not. Okay. Looks like they want to kick in again. I'm just watching closely, like what they're doing here right now. You see how he came to the area here, and he's finding support there. I want to see if they're actually gonna push it further down, or they're gonna actually reject this point and start pushing back up. If they do, I think we're nailing this. We're figuring out what they're actually doing. You see how it's coming like to an area, boom, rejection, pushing back up. And they can push even further down again and clear everybody out. To get liquidity and push the market back up again. And or they can just find buyers here, and then buyers will kick in there. Because that's what they did before. I'm not sure if it's gonna do it again. Like here, they did that. So they might do another channel. Another channel here. Small channel. That will be very interesting to see. Are you guys buying? Very interesting. Very interesting what they're doing here. Again, I don't like this market the way it moves. It's fishy. Like they can fall into traps so easily. Look at that. I think we got this. I'm buying right now. But you guys see it, right? Wow. You guys see what I saw, right? That's when I'm staying quiet. That's what I'm looking at. Gonna do a little bit of a pullback when it comes back into this area. Tricking everyone. It's probably not gonna go all the way to the top like this, but it's gonna come close to this area, okay? I'm just saying, so you guys understand the movement of the market. And it's gonna find rejection there and push down again. My goodness. My goodness. Going back up. I said, it's gonna find a little bit of rejection there, probably push down a little bit, but buyers are taking control right now. It's very interesting what they're doing. Buying the market from the bottom, slowly. This market, I'm telling you. Come on, Scooby-Doo, where are you? Shaggy would not be in this market. He's so scared. There you go, familia. Breaking it to the upside. Come on, push, push. Push, buyers, 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 push. See how it came right into the wall and found rejection there? It's gonna fight it. Not sure if it's gonna continue very high before pushing down, because he might just do another channel pushing down. If he does, then we're in trouble. This thing is gonna go much lower. It's just finding rejection on that wall there. Hard rejection. Ooh. Hard rejection. The buyers want to kick in. Buyers want to take over again until he breaks that wall. It's a long day, my friends. It's gonna be a long day. Very long day. With these market movements. You can say, yeah, it is easy when you see it, but you have to put your head and heart into this to understand where things are flowing. You see how I was like quiet and just looking? I was looking at many things before understanding very well what the market is doing. Not trying to guess. It's a head and shoulders. Isn't that like a shampoo thing? Isn't it called like head and shoulders too? I mean, I don't know. I mean, I don't buy that kind of shampoo. But it's SHS. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Right? Not head and shoulders. And I don't see an SNS there. Do you? On what time frame, Tony? Can you help me out? I just can't see it. What I can see is probably the market doing a nice pullback. Ooh, you. Let's go, señorita. Caramba. Ay, caramba. Come on. Break it, that wall. Break it, that wall, my friend. I know you want to break it, so why don't you just break it? I'm buying the mark. Break that wall and take it like you own it. We got this, familia. We got it. We got it. This market is ours. This market is ours. It belongs to us. All right, so familia, it's 11:05. I need to take a break, otherwise I'm gonna go crazy. I've been here for quite too long now, so I will get back to you guys in the afternoon, and for the live YouTube back on Monday morning. All right, familia, I will see you guys later. Peace. God bless you all.
Goodbye.